Hey everyone, want to learn how to export your video without losing quality in After Effects? Then let's get started. First, go to the File menu. From there, select Export. Choose Media Encoder and use these settings. That's it. Your video will be lightweight and still high quality. If you can't export directly through Media Encoder, no worries. Just export through the render queue. Using these settings, after exporting, import the video into Media Encoder and export it using the same settings shown earlier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.